To change the language of your Android phone, we'll start by going to Settings and then scroll down to General Management. Depending on your phone model, these menus might look slightly different, but the process is more or less the same. Under General Management, you'll have the language option on the very top. Tap Add Language to add a new language and choose from the list. Once you pick a new language, your phone will usually ask if you'd like to set this as a default language, or keep your current default language. If you're looking to change your phone's language, you'll usually want to set the new language as default. Now your Android system is using a different language. Depending on the language and how much the developers have been able to localize, you might notice that some parts of the phone are still in English. In my case, for example, I can see that my camera app is now using a foreign name, but the settings are still called Settings in English. One thing you might notice is that even after changing the language, your keyboard might still be in another language. For example, mine is still showing my US keyboard, which is missing some special characters of the new default language I just changed. That's because there's a separate setting for keyboards. We'll go back to Settings, and just to make it easier for everyone to follow, I'll change my default language back to English. Then we'll go back to General Management and tap Keyboard. Then I can choose my Samsung keyboard here and choose languages. Currently, I only have the US keyboard available, so I'll tap Manage Input Languages. This opens a list of all the available keyboard layouts. We'll turn on Finish and it gets added to my available keyboards, and while we're at it, why not throw a third language in the mix? I'll go back and add a Chinese keyboard here as well, just to show you the difference. Now when I'm using my keyboard, I can tap this little globe icon on the bottom, and it'll cycle between my available keyboard languages. The spacebar will show which language is currently selected, and you'll see that depending on the language, my layout and characters will look slightly different. I can also tap and hold the globe to view all available languages and quickly switch between them. And that's how you change the language on your Android phone. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to get more easy and simple guides like this straight into your YouTube feed.